I want to take this opportunity to express our gratitude for your hard work, dedications, and commitment throughout this year. In this special time, I would like to remind you the importance of unity and solidarity so that our differences are diluted in a collaborative spirit, and so we can share special moments together as the family we are. It's time to reflect on everything we have accomplished and set new goals for the next year. Let us fill our heart with love, joy, and peace, so that this feeling motivates us to continue grow as a team. It has been a year full of challenges, but together we have overcome its obstacles with courage and determination. The resilience and effort have been key to our success. My wish for you this Christmas and New Year is to bring you abundance, happiness, health, and success in all your goals and projects. Thank you for being part of our family and for your continual dedication. We look forward to a new year full of exciting challenges and opportunity to grow together. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.